Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our maths lesson. Today's topic is multiplying a two-digit number by a single-digit number using the grid method. We already did this topic, so I'm going to show the same video just for revision purpose, and further during the video you will be solving the question, and I hope you will be confident enough to solve this question. Here you go. This method involves partitioning numbers into tens and ones before they are multiplied. Here in this video, we will see how to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number. On the screen, you can see 23 times 4. First, we must partition two-digit number to its tens and ones. Let's partition 23 into its tens and ones. In 23, there are two tens, which gives us 20, and three ones, which gives us 3. We can now use this information to make a grid multiplication. Because we are using two-digit numbers, we must put two columns into the grid to fit in the tens and ones. So using a ruler, let's draw the grid. Now, we drawn the grid, we can put numbers into it. So remember, we partitioned 23 into 20 and 3. So because 20 is the tens, we put in the tens column. And 3 is in the ones, so we put it at the ones column. The operation which we are doing will go in this box here. And in this question, we are doing 23 multiplied by 4. So the cross will go to this box to show we are multiplying, and 4 goes here to show that we are multiplying by 4. Yes, you are now ready to use the grid to multiply. So in this box, we do 20 times 4. We can use our timetable now to help us with this. If 2 times 4 equals to, yes children, 2 times 4 equals to, right, equals to 8. Then 20 times 4 will be equal to, what children? Good, 20 times 4 equals to 80. So this is the number that will go in this box. Into this box, we must put 3 times 4, and that we know equals to, yes children, equals to 12. We now got all information to solve this multiplication. The answers of each multiplication calculation, that is 80 and 12, then need to be added to find the final answer. So now, 80 plus 12 equals to 92. So 92 is our final answer. Let's see another example. I will demonstrate how to work out 23 times 8 by partitioning the numbers and putting them in a grid, then multiplying each one in turn. Now, I am going to partition my two-digit number into ones and tens. So 23 into 2 tens and 3 ones. My time goes here, and I am multiplying by 8, so I need to calculate 20 times 8 and 3 times 8. 20 times 8, I know 2 times 8 equal to 16. So I am going to make it 10 times bigger. 2 times 8 equal to 16. So 20 times 8 equals to 160. Right. Now need to calculate 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals to how much, learners? Yes, that is 24. The answers for each multiplication calculation that is 160 and 24, then need to be added to find the final answer. So now I'm going to use column method to do addition of 160 and 24. So learners, tell me, 160 plus 24 is how much? Great job! 160 plus 24 is equal to 184. So our final answer for 23 times 8 is equal to 184. Now learners, your teacher is going to pause this video and you are going to solve this multiplication using the grid method, that is 34 times 4. You have 2 minutes learners, let's do it. Time up. Now I'm going to solve this question in front of you and you will be honest with yourself and you are going to see whether you did any mistake or it's all correct. Okay dear? Okay. So on the screen you can see 34 times 4. First we must partition 2-digit number to its tens and ones. Let's partition 34 into its tens and ones. So learners, what you have written? In 34 there are 3 tens, which mean it gives us 30, and 4 ones, which gives us 4. We can now use this information to make a grid multiplication. We can put the numbers into grid, right? So remember, we partition 34 into 30 and 4. So because 30 is the tens, we put in the tens column. Right learners? So because 30 is the tens, we put in the tens column. And 4 in the ones, so we put it at the ones column. And we are going to multiply this 30 and 4 by 4. So we are going to write our 4 here. We are now ready to use the grid to multiply. So in this box, we do 30 times 4. We can use our multiplication table now to help us with this. If 3 times 4 equals to 12, then 30 times 4 will be how much, learner? Think about it. What you have written, just check it out. It is 120. So this number that will go in this box. Into this box, we must put 4 times 4, and that we know equals to, yes learner, what you have written? 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Now got all information to solve this multiplication by adding these two numbers together. So now 120 add 16. So 120 add 16 is how much, learner? It is 136. So our final answer is 136. But learners, remember, you need to learn multiplication table thoroughly. And you know what? It's very easy to learn multiplication table. You just need to read the multiplication table 2 times a day. That's all for today, learners. Hope you will enjoy your math lesson. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Happy learning.